In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in QuickBooks Online. Custom reports are a fantastic way to get insights tailored to your specific business needs. Whether you want to track overdue invoices, review your spending, or analyze sales trends, creating personalized reports in QuickBooks Online can help you make smarter, data-driven decisions. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, don't worry, this process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, open QuickBooks Online and locate the left-hand panel on your screen. This is your main menu where you can access all the key tools QuickBooks has to offer. From this menu, click on Reports to open the Reporting Hub. This is where all your reporting options are housed, from standard reports to custom ones. Before we move forward, take a moment to think about the specific question your report should answer. Are you looking to find out who owes you money? Are you curious about where your expenses are going? Or maybe you want to see how your sales are trending over time. Having a clear goal in mind will help you create a report that's focused and effective. Once you've set your intention, navigate to the Custom Reports tab within the Reporting Hub. This is where you can create reports that are tailored to your unique needs. To start building your own report, click on Create New Report at the top right of the screen. This will open up the customization options. Now, you'll need to select the type of report that aligns with your goal. QuickBooks offers a variety of report types, such as invoice, expenses, sales, bills, journal entry, banking transactions, or general transactions list. Choose the one that best fits the kind of data you want to analyze. Once you've made your selection, click Create to proceed. At this stage, your report will open in an editable format. You'll see a toolbar at the top of the report, which allows you to customize it further. Use this toolbar to add or remove columns. For example, you can include important details like the date of each transaction, the customer or vendor involved, the specific account being referenced, and the transaction amount. At the same time, feel free to remove any columns that don't add value to your analysis. The goal is to keep your report clear and focused. Next, set the report period using the toolbar. This is where you define the time frame for the data you want to include. QuickBooks makes this easy by offering a variety of preset date ranges like today, this month, last month, quarter to date, or even a custom range. Choose the one that best matches your analysis needs. As you make these adjustments, you'll notice that the report updates in real time, reflecting your changes immediately. Take a moment to review the report and ensure it answers the question you set out to address. This is your chance to fine-tune the layout and ensure the data is presented in a way that makes sense to you. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a custom report in QuickBooks Online that's tailored to your specific business needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.